The type of emulsion may be determined by options are leakage test, conductivity test, toxicity test and bubble point test. Leakage test is intended to detect the incompletely sealed glass ampules. This is done by vacuum pressure treatment and methylene blue dye solution. Bubble point test is used to detect the integrity and efficacy of membrane filter used in sterilization. Toxicity test is done during the preclinical stage of drug development to assess the potential toxicity of the drug. Various tests to determine the type of emulsion are dilution test, dye solubility test, electrical conductivity test, cobalt chloride test and fluorescence test. Explanations about these tests are given as short videos. You can have a look. Here the right answer is conductivity test. Next question. Drugs colored, coated, powdered or polished to conceal damage or to appear to be of better therapeutic value than they really are is called options spurious drug, misbranded drug, adulterated drug and reprocessed drug. A drug or a device is misbranded if its labeling or appearance is false or misleading in any particular. A drug is said to be spurious if it is an imitation of another drug. Reprocessing is the treatment of a batch or a sub-batch of materials of unacceptable quality by repeating the same process steps from a defined stage of production so that its quality may be made acceptable. An adulterated drug is poorer in quality by adding another substance. So here the right answer is misbranded drug. In which theory is the acid an electron pair acceptor and the base an electron pair donor? Bronsted-Lowry concept, Lewis concept, Arrhenius concept, hard and soft acid-base concept. According to Bronsted-Lowry theory, acid is the donor of protons and base is the acceptor of protons. Bronsted-Lowry theory is applied to aqueous and non-aqueous systems. According to Arrhenius theory, acid is the donor of H+ ions in aqueous solution and base is the donor of OH- that is hydroxyl ions in aqueous solution. Arrhenius theory is applied to aqueous solutions only. According to Lewis theory, acid is the acceptor of electrons and base is the donor of electrons. Lewis theory is applied to systems without solvents. Hard and soft acid-base concept. This theory is also called Pearson acid-base concept. According to this, hard acids prefer binding to hard bases and soft acids prefer binding to soft bases. So, the answer is Lewis concept. Next question. Muriatic acid is a synonym of options are hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, sulfuric acid and phosphoric acid. Hydrochloric acid is also known as muriatic acid. Nitric acid is called aqua fortis or spirit of nitre. Sulfuric acid is called oil of vitriol. Phosphoric acid is also known as orthophosphoric acid. So here the answer is hydrochloric acid. Next question. 2% weight by volume of iodine and 2.5% weight by volume of potassium iodide gives options are aqueous iodine solution, strong iodine solution, weak iodine solution and povidone iodine solution. Weak iodine solution contains 2% iodine and 2.5% potassium iodide. This solution is made in purified water without alcohol. It is used as an antiseptic. Aqueous iodine solution is also known as Lugol's iodine solution. Aqueous iodine solution is the Indian pharmacopoeial name and it is also called strong iodine solution in USP. It contains 5% iodine and 10% potassium iodide. It is also made in purified water without alcohol. This aqueous iodine solution is used as source of iodine. Strong iodine solution IP contains 10% iodine and 6% potassium iodide. It is made in 10% water and 90% alcohol. It is also used as an antiseptic. Iodine tincture USP contains 2% iodine and 2.4% sodium iodide in dilute alcoholic solution. It is also used as an antiseptic. The povidone iodine, that is PVP iodine, is a complex of polyvinyl pyrrolidone and iodine. It contains 9% to 12% weight by volume of iodine. It is also used as an antiseptic. So, here the answer is aqueous iodine solution. Next question. Astringent compound exhibit the following properties except styptic, anti-inflammatory, antiperspirants, antitussive. Styptic agent contracts tissues to stop bleeding. Anti-inflammatory agent reduces inflammation or swelling. Antiperspirants are sweat-reducing agents. Antitussives are cough suppressants. An astringent compound will exhibit styptic, anti-inflammatory and antiperspirant properties. So, the right answer is antitussive. Next question. Flower of sulfur is a synonym of sublimed sulfur, sulfur ointment, precipitated sulfur and selenium sulfide. Here the answer is sublimed sulfur. Flower of sulfur is sublimed sulfur. It is used in sulfuring fruits. Precipitated sulfur is prepared by boiling sulfur and calcium oxide in water and then precipitating it with hydrochloric acid. It is used for the treatment of acne and seborrheic dermatitis. Sulfur compounds are usually antifungal. Sulfur ointment is used to treat seborrheic dermatitis, scabies and psoriasis. Selenium sulfide is used to treat seborrheic dermatitis and dandruff. Next question. Chlorine reacts with calcium hydroxide to produce. Options are sodium hypochlorite solution, chlorinated lime, calcium carbonate and calcium gluconate. Chlorine gas reacts with calcium hydroxide to produce calcium hypochlorite. Calcium hypochlorite is called bleaching powder, chlorine powder or chlorinated lime. So here the answer is chlorinated lime. If the same reaction happens between chlorine gas and sodium hydroxide, then the product will be sodium hypochlorite, that is NaOCl. This is called liquid bleach. Calcium carbonate CaCO3 is the main ingredient of chalk and cement. It is also used as calcium supplement. Calcium gluconate is also calcium supplement. It is the antidote for magnesium sulfate toxicity. It also antagonizes the cardiotoxicity in hyperkalemia.